In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks in Microsoft Teams, combining both To-Do and Planner in just 5 minutes. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that many of us use for collaboration and communication. By integrating tasks, you can enhance your productivity by keeping all your task management processes right within Teams. Let's get started. First, begin by logging into Microsoft Teams using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice on the left sidebar, there's a section labeled More Apps. Clicking on that will open a menu where you can explore additional features and add-ons available within Microsoft Teams. What we're looking for here is the app called Planner. Simply type Planner into the search bar and you should see it pop up right away. When you find Planner, you can right-click on it and you'll see an option to pin it. Pinning the app will keep it readily accessible in your sidebar, saving you time in the future whenever you need to manage your tasks. Now that Planner is pinned, let's dive into how you can manage your personal tasks. Head over to My Tasks within the Planner app. Here you have the ability to add tasks, perfect for organizing your to-do list. Click on Add New Task, and a window will pop up where you can provide details like the task title. Make sure to set a due date if applicable, and adjust other settings such as priority and progress status. As you complete your tasks, remember to mark them as done. It's a simple step, but it's gratifying and helps you keep track of everything you've accomplished. Plus, keeping your task list up to date ensures you have an accurate overview of your commitments and deadlines. Once you're comfortable with managing your tasks, you might want to integrate Planner into a specific team channel. To do this, navigate to the team channel you wish to include tasks in. At the top of the channel window, there's a small plus tab. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options to add additional features to the channel. Select Planner from this menu. You'll then have the possibility to create a new plan tailored specifically for that team. Or, if more appropriate, you can add an existing plan. This flexibility allows you to customize and reorganize tasks according to your team's particular workflow or project. Finally, when you're setting up your plan, give it a clear and concise name. The name should reflect the purpose or goal of the plan so that everyone on your team knows at a glance what the focus is. And there you have it, a complete guide to maneuvering tasks within Microsoft Teams by effectively using To-Do and Planner. By consolidating everything into Teams, you ensure better collaboration, streamlined communication, and improved task management across your team or project. Thanks for joining me in this quick walkthrough, and may your task management be ever more efficient.